I am changing.
We wanted to make sure that we made this evening truly about all of you.
I wanted to thank David, a very special mentor of mine, told me when I was in a pretty dark place in my career, never to let the music die inside of me.
The reason that we're sitting here today is that same belief, that same light that David saw in me that day, he sees in you. He sees in you. And he and Joey and this entire team have created this space so the light in you can shine.
So you have to allow yourself to be open enough to tell a stranger that this is the value of what I'm worth. This is the value of what I need. This is the value of what all the work I'll put into for you to have the celebration you're looking for.
No longer is fear going to be the driver of my success.
Real leadership is inviting people on a mission to do something extraordinary together.
We ask for each of you, as you walk forward, to think of yourself as the star that stands on this stage. And when you leave tonight, to go home and remember something. That every time you shine bright, every time you step in front of a client, every time you step in front of your family, every time you are looking for a moment to make you feel better, remember the moment that it felt when you were here. Every single one of you are stars.
I texted David a couple days ago, and I was like, I'm so grateful to come back to this at an event that you are curating and planning, because I know that from the bottom up, it's going to be just full of the right spirit, which is just love and connection, and I'm really grateful to be here. So thank you, and we're just gonna party. I'm gonna swing from the chandeliers.